This is my bike check. I got Eastern Nitrous OG forks, Salt Pro alloy pegs, smooth for grinding. I got a single shot front rim Eastern Nitrous, Eastern Curve Monkey 20 by 2.30 front tire. I got Eastern Nitrous trap stem, Miracle signature handlebars with ODI long necks and ODI long neck metal bar ends. Stock Eastern Nitrous Cobra. I got some stickers on it. Eastern Promise, my original sticker. Transformers and fresh CA boys. Nice. I got a Demolition F1 25 tooth sprocket with nitrous thruster cranks, Eastern crown pedals, very grippy if you're into that stuff. Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat, Colony pivotal seat post, Eastern locker seat post clamp. I got a regular KMC chain, double color, black and silver. A Fit Flow hub laced onto a Revenge Industries rim. And a Demolition Monaco 20 by 2.25 back wheel. And yeah, that's my bike check.